Welcome to RHIN-O-TUFF. This is the setup and orientation video of the RHIN-O-TUFF Onyx HD7000. In this video, we'll open the box, see what's inside, put it all together, and then walk you through step by step how it can work. Onyx machines are solid and heavy, get some help in moving it around. Inside the chip tray, you'll find handles, all-in-one oil, a power cord, the foot pedal, as well as the reverse knob. Assembly begins with the handles, removed from their bag, and one goes on each side, spinning them all the way in until they're locked shut. It's with these handles you'll lock and unlock the punch die. The machine plugs in on the back side, both for the power cord and the foot pedal. For the Onyx HD7000, release the handles and slide the die right in from the right-hand side, all the way in, and lock the handles by lifting them up. Make sure they snap closed. The adjustable knob on the front is the side marger control knob, or the paper stop. Finally, should you need it, remove the cap in the front, and this is where the reverse knob goes in. An additional option to the HD7000 is the palm switch. This would replace the foot pedal and allow you from the top as you're working with your paper to initiate the punch. You need to do so by finger or by palm. Now that you're all set up, let's watch the machine in action as we create a book with a 4:1 coil bind. Always begin with some test sheets to set your settings. Drop the sheets all the way into the throat and bring to the left. Push the button or the foot pedal and see what we have. You can make adjustments to the side margin control or the paper stop with this knob here, sliding it to the left or the right, find the size paper you need, and lock it down. A great test to see if your paper is center is to fold it over, line it up corner to corner, and see if the holes match up. Should you have any half holes or the need to remove pins, unlock both levers and slide out the die. Depress the pin carriage and remove the pin capture. Pull out any or all pins that you need, replace the pin capture, and replace the entire die back into the machine till the black part is flush. And lock both sides. Now let's get into our project. Your Onyx HD7000 can punch up to 40 sheets of 20-pound paper in a single punch. Make sure the sheets are all the way down and all the way to the left against the paper stop. Rest assured that the patented auto reverse feature is at play right now as you're using your machine, reducing the number of paper jams. With that said, there still is the possibility of jam. If so, turn the machine off in the back and remove the chip tray. This reveals a small hole at the front. Remove the cap off of that and place the reverse knob inside. You'll feel that the threads fit right on. A clockwise motion reverses the teeth in the punch. You can pull the paper out by feel or look just to the left of the paper stop and you can actually see the teeth retracting. When they're all gone, you know the paper is free to be removed. And that is how to use your Onyx HD7000 punch. Finish your book off with any instruments that you have or that you need. You're on your way to binding a great many books with RHIN-O-TUFF.